you can't tell, I'm gonna do school virtually again today. My sinuses are now like built up and everything, so I'm a little more sick than yesterday, but that's fine. Virtual school. Did I fall asleep during biology? Yeah, and he's also the only teacher that knows of my vlogs, so I'm sorry if you're watching this. I just can't concentrate on anything. My day hasn't been the best, but this theology class with our teacher explaining why being gay isn't a sin, but being actively gay is a sin. This is my highlight so far. I'm running again. I really don't feel good. Very congested. Then my whole body feels sore. I'm going very, very slow. That is going to be the end of today's run. My mom is supposed to pick me up. I don't see her yet though. My day has been very boring. All I've done is like eat, sleep, and school with a little bit of like napping is sleeping. Anyway, that run gave me a tiny bit of energy that I am going to use to sew. These sandals are garbage. They gave me blisters, and in Alaska when I went running in them, they cut my toe open. These sandals, on the other hand, are like the Rolls Royce of sandals. As you can see, I have well worn them, and they are in fact broken, so that is what I am going to be fixing. Mission 1, which is sandal repair, is it's done. Now I will be very fashionable whenever I wear them out in public. Next mission is gonna be fixing the clout goggles. Mission 2, fixing the clout goggle little thingy here, was a success. Mission 3 is going to be fixing the clout goggle carrier. I'm in another one of those Kahoot thingies to study for the AP test. I missed the first question, that's okay. There are like 1,500 people in it, I don't expect to win anyway. Kahoot is over. I'm pretty happy with my performance because I started out at 2000th place and I missed 2 questions and I moved up to 35th by the end. Great, now dinner.